All right. What's going on, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at Bloktopia, baby. BLOK/USDT is the trading pair I'm looking at on KuCoin. And just giving you guys an update. And it's basically going kind of exactly how I said it would in my last video. Okay. So that's why I'm giving you guys an update, because things are looking to go as planned. And basically what I have is I've got the supply zone up here on the top. This is an area where you can expect to see resistance or a sell-off, right? Where you can see buyers taking profit and selling. Okay. It's basically what happens, right? And then this bottom spot right here is going to be the demand zone. All right. And this is where sellers are taking profit and people are buying, the seller's profits. All right. That's how things go up, right? Someone is selling for that thing to buy, basically, is what's going on. All right. So that's why supply and demand is very good to understand. So I have a whole tutorial in the top right hand corner of this video. Go ahead and watch that if you need some help trading supply and demand. All right. But with that being said, you know, I gave two scenarios. I said, hey, we could find some support here and come back up to here. All right. But most likely we would have a false breakout. And I drew this before you can watch my previous video. I drew this before any of this happened. And look at how it exactly followed the drawing. Okay. We went down, came up, and now we're right here at this support level. And then I think that we may break this demand zone and fall down to point. Well, let me give you guys support levels. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit, make it bigger for you. All right, so we're gonna have 0.035, 0.025, and 0.0118. All right, so those are kind of like our bearish price targets, essentially, is what's going on. All right. And that's like worst case to me. For Bloktopia, there is some chance that we find support here at the bottom of our demand zone. If you notice, it is a little bit of a green candlestick right now. So there is a possibility that we do find support and go back up. All right, that would be best case scenario. But for right now, the way that it's playing out, it currently looks, to me at least, like Bloktopia will drop down to 0.035. Now Bitcoin is what you want to pay attention to. Okay, Bitcoin is going to kind of like forecast the market for cryptocurrency and altcoins and things like that. So if you see Bitcoin breaking major support levels, then you need to be cautious of your altcoins, because those are gonna sell at a much higher rate, a much more volatile rate. All right, the gains are much more accelerated and leveraged, and the losses are also leveraged and accelerated dealing with altcoins. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting Bitcoin updates, Bitcoin price updates, and so that way you get a good sense of the overall crypto market. And I'll be covering plenty of altcoins and some coins that I think could be some hidden gems. All right, so make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the trading Discord. Okay, join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord. We make lots of money every day. There's people making $1,000 the first day they join. There's people with tons of money in there. People trading with $100 in there. Okay, so it's a very fun community, and we're basically, let me show you guys another thing. Okay, let's go back to the chart. If you made it this far, okay, then you'll really know why we kind of are going to keep going bearish. Okay, we have this descending pattern right here. Okay, so until we break out of this on the RSI, we'll zoom the RSI up a little bit for you guys. All right, until we break out of this on the RSI, we're just going lower as well. All right, so even though the price is kind of just pitter pattering and going a little bit sideways, the RSI is coming down here. And once we break out of here, I think that's when we'll see Bloktopia go ahead and come up to these levels and do this again, basically. Okay, so yeah, I'm out.